Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dreams to Discarte by Ariana. And this is my first vlog of 2026. Palakpakan natin ang sarili natin dyan. So ayan, kakagising ko lang. As in, bonggang gising, face reveal, char. First thing, unat-unat muna sa bed kasi di tayo pwedeng bumangon na para multo agad. Stretch, stretch. Ayan, buhay pa tayo. Thank you, Lord. Next, warm water muna tayo. Kunwari, healthy living tayo this 2026. Cheers sa mga New Year's resolution na hanggang January lang. After that, shower na para ma-wash away ang stress ng 2025. Kahit babalik din mamaya. Ayan, uniform check. At ang mga gamit ko naka-ready na lahat sa bed ko. Parang walang, hala, nasan yung ID ko? So, bihis muna tayo. And then, let's go! I went straight to the legislative office and syempre pagpasok ko, hello everyone, I'm late. Sorry na po, traffic kasi sa kama. So ayan, upo na tayo and I'm getting ready for my resolution proposal today. Nakafocus. Kunwari, professional. Good news, lahat ng council nag-agree naman. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. I love you all. Happy ako, promise. Hindi halata, pero happy. Session is over. This is my first office day for the month of January. January pa lang, pagod na agad, but grateful. So, ayan na lang muna for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my first vlog of 2026. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and sabayan nyo lang ako sa journey ko ng Dreams to Discarte. Until next vlog. Bye!